Today, I'm going to visit one of my upcoming listings in Livermore, California. Next week, we have the inspections, and I want to make sure we're ready to go. In this video, I'm going to give you my 3-step checklist so you can see if your property and your home is ready for the inspectors. It's all coming up. Stay tuned. Hi, I'm Warren Oberholser. I'm a local realtor in the East Bay Tri-Valley area in Northern California. My channel is all about helping both buyers and sellers get maximum results for one of their biggest investments, their home. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. I post new content regularly. And if this is your first time here, all the information I go over can be found in a blog I've created just for this video. The link's in the show notes below, so just sit back and enjoy. Property inspections are a must when it comes to selling and purchasing a home. Not just for the buyer to understand the condition of the property they're about to own, but also if the seller had inspections performed prior to going on the market, these reports are invaluable as disclosure information for the buyer. Now you may ask, why is this so important to me, a listing agent, to do my own property assessment prior to the home inspection? And when I say home inspectors, this includes termite, home, or general inspection, and the roof. The reason for this home assessment evaluation is in twofold. One, to prepare the property before the inspector arrives. A part of this is to ensure that the home inspector has access. Now, this would be clear out the space below the bathroom and kitchen sinks. For a garage, move anything that's up against the wall away. For the exterior of the home, anything leaning up against the house, move that away. And if there's a crawl space, make sure it's accessible. And 2, to evaluate any area the home inspector will call out that most likely the homeowner could remedy before the inspection. This would include correct strapping of the hot water heater and smoke and CO detectors. So in this video, I'm going to give you my 3-step checklist so you'll be ready before the home inspector arrives. Step 1, assess the exterior front of the home. Survey everything from top to bottom and side to side. Continue this assessment to the side yards as well as the backyard. Do the same drill as with the front. Make sure you have something to note your findings on. It can be a voice recorder, pen and paper, etc. I like to do a combination. I will note each item on a pad of paper, and I'll also take a picture of the item if I think I need to refer to it back later. Step 2, interior assessment. Go through each room making notes, taking pictures or videos of the areas of concern. Similar to the exterior of the front of the house, make sure when you walk into a room, survey it from top to bottom and left to right. And step 3, review with the homeowner. After I complete everything, I'll sit down with the homeowner and discuss what I have found. If needed, I'll create a things to do list of items to be handled prior to the inspection. Going back to my listing, when I did the assessment and sat down with the homeowner, it was determined that 3 of the bedrooms will need smoke detectors. Fortunately, the homeowner was handy, so he was able to install the missing smoke detectors prior to the inspection. The smoke detector the homeowner installed has a 10-year lithium battery sealed inside. So once the battery expires, this unit will be removed and replaced with a brand new one. This avoids the headache and hassle of replacing batteries every 6 months. It was also determined that the hot water heater needs to be strapped correctly. So this will be handled prior to the property going on the market. As a bonus to my 3-step pre-inspection checklist, if you'd like to have a more detailed and comprehensive home evaluation and preparation guide to include getting your home ready to list on the market to help you get maximum value when you sell your home, then get my free Homeowners Maximum Value Action Plan. Click on the link down below so you can get immediate access. I hope this helps you get ready for your home inspection and you pass with flying colors. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, post any questions or comments down below, and if you haven't subscribed yet, consider doing so. I post new content regularly. If you found this video interesting, you may want to watch these other 2 on home and termite inspection. So stay tuned. I have more helpful videos like this coming soon. Please reach out to me for any of your real estate questions or needs, and I wish you all the best on your home journey.